Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Here is a good recipe that's for roasted herb and onion golden gem potatoes. And even with the hot summer days, you can make this on the barbecue. So you have a choice between putting it on the barbecue or in the oven. So here's a quick and easy recipe, and stay with me, I'll show you how to make that. But in the meantime, I just wanted to remind you that my cookbook is available on Amazon, and I've provided a quick link in the description below this video. Alright, let's do this. You can buy these little golden gems in packages in the grocery store. They're pretty small potatoes. Some of them need to be cut in half so that they're all uniform size. That way they'll cook evenly. Making sure that the potatoes are fully washed, and then dot them with a good quality margarine or butter. Use an all-in-one Italian seasoning because it will have various herbs already in it. Give each of the potatoes a generous sprinkling of that. Also give it a good sprinkling of salt and pepper. And then throw on about a half a cup of chopped sweet onions. Simply cover it with tin foil. Make sure your heat stays up between 400 and 425. Whether or not that's in the barbecue or in the oven. These will take up to an hour or so to cook, so it's a good idea to check them every 15-20 minutes or so and maybe give them a little bit of a stir to make sure that they brown evenly. And after they've already started to cook, I take the tin foil off and let them finish without the tin foil on, and I would do that about halfway through the cooking time. These little gems are amongst the tastiest of potatoes. So there you have it. How easy is that to make, right? These are good served with more butter and sour cream. And if you're like me, you like potatoes any which way you can, but these are especially tasty. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this simple and quick recipe. And until next time, happy eating!